It started off with the script of Dil Chahta Hai. I think when Farhan wrote it and he narrated that script to me, I still remember.
वो एक वर्ल्ड है दिल चाहता है का that was I feel films like whether it's Rock On or a film like जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा ना हो, you know, they for me they satisfy me in the same way.
Dil Chahta, I think to me, more than what happened on screen, it changed how films were made off screen.
Who would you like to play your character? Name any three young actors.
Ranbir.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah.
You guys will be celebrating 20 years of Dil Chahta Hai this year.
Oh yeah, in August, yes.
In August. Looking forward to that. I think we spoke at the 10th anniversary, from what I remember, 10th or 15th maybe. Looking forward to that. It's,
How time flies! You haven't aged a day.
So haven't you? So it must be like a really special film. And
You know, the thing,
continues to.
yeah, I mean that's what's so amazing about some movies. Yeah, I mean, like how they just, I mean, the how people have taken to it and how they just continue to love it over time, and how it discovers new audiences, and how it, and you're not doing any of it. I mean, it's doing it by itself, you know. So that aspect of it is just it just fills me with a really happy, warm feeling every single time, you know. And when I hear someone speak about that film, and when people, like, you know, say to me that, man, 20 years is happening, it's unbelievable how it's like kind of it still feels as fresh, and it still feels as good when you watch it. It's wonderful. I mean, I don't have an explanation to how and why films do that, but when you're at the kind of creating end of something like this, you know, it always feels, you feel very lucky.
I was speaking to Akshay Khanna yesterday, and we spoke for almost like half an hour, and we spoke about Dil Chahta Hai at length as well. Because, you know, when you meet him, you know, you get to just see that smile of him just sitting, just standing in the hospital, and you know, just having that conversation, and you just can't take it away. Because I think he's such a fascinating actor, and
And an amazing guy.
An amazing guy as well. And you know what I told him was that when you're painting and when you're just getting into that artistic mode is something that it seemed that you're actually there, you're actually painting yourself. How much of Farhan Akhtar was there in Akshay Khanna's character?
I don't really know. It's difficult to say, you know. I mean, because I mean, at the end of the day, the fact that those characters came down onto paper is something that you've experienced or something that you've witnessed, seen in a friend. That also can happen. So I don't know how much of me is inside his character. You know, I mean, I'd love to tell you that I was as sensitive as it was, but that would not be entirely true. I think the closest at that time in my life that I was to like how Saif was, you know, when that film happened. But these were people that I knew, you know, like a sensitive person, like he plays in the film. There were people in my life like that. You know, very fortunate to have had them, and very fortunate to have still call them my friends. So I mean, it is inspired from my life, but not necessarily per se from my personality.
आप दोनों, I think you were friends earlier, and you just came about, and Dil Chahta Hai happened, and I think the rest is history. National award, and people still refer to it as one of the finest films, in fact. So tell us something about the initial phase, how you were you guys. I think both of us, you were in the same territory, and you had a Malex pressure cooker but you did not want to do that, and you wanted to do something of your own, in fact. कैसे आप
I think, I mean, it's there, like I mention it always, that I think what got us together, I mean, we were in the same school, we were friendly, and I think sensibility same in terms of the kind of films we have, I mean, wanted to make. But I think it started off with the script of Dil Chahta Hai. I think when Farhan wrote it and he narrated that script to me, I still remember. And very clearly that was I think the ceiling point of saying, like, listen, we have to make this women, we have to do it together, you know. And I think it started from there, and then everything, you know, just falls. You do one, and then after that we did Laksh, and it went on to, you know, just taking the company forward by introducing. First, Farhan was the only one directing, you know. Then obviously when we started getting more experience, I mean, I hadn't been to film school. I had never been to a film shoot. The first time I went was on my, I mean, not on my own film. I went on Lagan, you know, when we were going to meet Amir for different meetings. So I think, but yeah, I've always been excited with this medium. I wanted to be a part of films. And I think that's what we are doing, and I'm very, very happy that we've managed to.
Will we see you reunite with Saif and Amir again, like a Dil Chahta Hai sequel?
I don't know. I can't predict the future. I have no idea.
Okay. Or if we just rephrase it, importance of Dil Chahta Hai in your life.
Huge. One of those films that I benefited a lot from. Gave me a lot of boost in my career. Those are films in every actor's career that are landmark films for them.
Absolutely.
The audience might not see it like that, but I definitely see it.
Absolutely.
So, very important.
I spoke to Akshay Khanna recently. I spoke to Farhan Akhtar recently as well. And
Yeah.
every time you speak to these guys, so Dil Chahta Hai invariably becomes a topic of discussion as well. That movie is still so fresh.
Yeah.
People talk about sequel, and obviously people want you guys to be there as well. One of your best performances.
Yeah.
I still remember when the reviews came out and the way people used to write about you.
I was watching it also recently. I saw some clips. It's a good performance. It's a little young, almost there. I wouldn't call it.
इसका कोई भरोसा नहीं आज पूजा कल कोई दूजा.
Yeah. It was
When you
great.
sit
It was
on
beautifully written.
That pillow.
Yeah. Yes.
That was hilarious.
Yeah. It was the first time we had a character wearing like 3/4 length jeans, gel in the hair, t-shirts, modern t-shirts, saying things that people normally say. Really broke the mold of. Otherwise, you're trying to do versions of Mr. Bachchan and the influence that he had on cinema and the hero took a long time to kind of normalize, which is a great compliment to him. For us as a nation, to have a regular boy next door being a urban hero, I think this is the film that changed it. But Dil Chahta Hai, I think to me, more than what happened on screen, it changed how films were made off screen, like sync sound, the AD system.
Time lapse was used for the first time, from what I understand.
I don't know, but these
It's an
cameras
high
and
sound,
lenses
yeah.
and just the crew, the AD. I remember there's one lady following me to the bathroom saying he's gone on a 10-1. So I was like, what is a 10-1? So it says that means going to the bathroom. So things like this, it was really well organized.
No, it looked like as well. We interviewed Akshay Khanna recently, and उन्होंने एक सवाल उनका आपके लिए था. उन्होंने कहा that Farhan has made Dawn 2, but why is he not making Dil Chahta Hai Part 2? So क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप उनका?
Why am I not making Dil Chahta Hai Part 2? I don't know, to me, the story of Dil Chahta Hai was complete.
Sure.
With the end of the first one. तो मुझे कभी ऐसा, I've never felt like I want to do a sequel.
Sure.
और जो वो एक world है Dil Chahta Hai का, that was, I feel films like whether it's Rock On or a film like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara Na Ho,
जी.
they for me, they satisfy me in the same way. So I'm not missing that kind of a movie in my life. So whether it's as a producer or as an actor, I'm getting to be a part of a film like that. So maybe which is why I'm not feeling the need to go ahead and do a Dil Chahta Hai 2.
Abhilash from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Akshay said your character in Dil Chahta Hai is still fresh in minds. If this cult film is remade today, who would you like to play your character? Name any 3 young actors.
Like new actors?
Yeah.
Ranbir?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah.
If Dil Chahta Hai were to be remade today, who would replace Amir Saif and Akshay?
I don't know.
It will still be Amir Saif and Akshay only. They're still in
I
the
don't
movie.
know. I don't know.
I asked Akshay, sir, he said कि मैं ही करूँगा ना.
हाँ, तो-
जैसे रणबीर कर सकता है.
नहीं,
But I think
I don't know.